So let's check sports mode. Okay guys, so it's 95%, so it takes almost around 5 hours to go from 0 to 100. It is now 95%. As per eco mode, it says it will touch 80 kilometers. In ride mode, it says 66 kilometers. In sports mode, 57 kilometers. And the best part, which is BRAP mode, which is the fastest, it says 48. If you want to go super economical, you can go with this eco. If you want to experience the fun part, so you can go with VARP mode. So these are the 4 modes. So right now we can change the theme as well. So the theme is, we have light, it's dark right now, so it's better I switch to dark mode. And we can control the brightness as well here, like this. The third tab is of errors. If you have some errors, electronic errors or any kind of errors in your vehicle. The fourth one is documents. Currently this is a test model, so if you see in the general, the registration number is, it shows just XXX. It requires some login credentials, so as a test rider I didn't got anything that, but you can connect your phone even if you don't have to connect mobile for this. This is the inbuilt feature of Ether, so which is a very nice neat looking map, but right now I won't use it. So let's go back and I will show you right now how these modes actually act. So starting with eco mode. So to start the mode, is simple. It's on, and then we press this button, and then you press the brake button. That's it. It's just a small beep, no sound, nothing, zero vibration. Obviously it's electrical. So let's start. It's very comfortable to ride. The seat is really good. It could be better, but it's good. I liked it. So let's swap to. So to change the mode, I just need to just click right side on the switch and it's turn. So if when you are accelerating, you can't change the mode, but when you deaccelerate, you can switch the mode. When I give indicator, we get a beep sound. So now let's go to sport mode and let's see how fast the sport mode can go. So let's check sports mode. So it's in VARP mode now. I have switched to VARP mode. Okay. So let's stop. And now we are going to test that how fast it can reach its top speed in VARP mode. So let's start. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. So I'm now switched to ride mode, and boy oh boy, I'm in love with this. I mean, come on man, it goes from 0 to 90 so fast. And the drop mode, it just completely throws you all the power. It's just freaking amazing, man. It has all the power in it. So yeah, talking about, there is one more feature which is park assist. So let me explain the park assist. If we have to just swipe, and now this is in reverse right now. this, so now it went into forward. So if I pull the throttle, it goes forward, and if I switch to reverse, it goes reverse without my legs. Isn't that cool? So if you want to park, you go like this, you switch, you go forward, and then you can do that all day. It's so freaking cool. Imagine, man, getting a throttle for reverse. It is amazing. Lights, they could increase it little bit. I mean, the straight pitch on the road is good, but they should widen it somehow. That is one thing. Otherwise, if you see that even the grab rail, it is so cutting edge that it is so minimalistic. Each and everything they have tried to minimize it, and it's so super great, man, to look at such beauty. Yeah, one more thing. If I open the trunk, so you get a LED here. This vehicle is great. Ather, I just liked it, the way you have built it. And the 450X, the best feature is the wrap mode. The wrap mode takes you from 0 to top speed in seconds, and it's lovely looking bike. It's very compact. The ground clearance is very good. The suspension, I like it. The brakes are also amazing. Overall, it's a very good package. If you ask me, right now, if I was looking for a moped, I could have easily used this. The only one thing which I didn't like is, so right now, if I want to replace the battery will charge me around 30 to 35,000, which is, I think, is something I need to think again before buying this